the sample for the straight Petersham waistband. I've prepared for this sample by getting a piece of Petersham, an equally sized piece of my fashion fabric to cover the Petersham with, and then this strip right here, which I'm going to gather down to be my skirt. I've now gathered my skirt fabric up with 2 gathering stitches and stitched the Petersham ribbon to the face of the fabric right along the stitching line at the top here. Our first stitch will be on the stitching line, right sides to right sides. I've done the first stitch in enclosing the waistband. So you can see here, I stitched them together, right sides together, with the main body of this fabric down. And then I've pressed it up. And then next, it's just going to be a wrap around, press this over, and that stitch in the ditch or slip stitch.